Welcome to English grammar class. In this channel, I am going to upload all the grammar topics. I will try my level best to give correct information. These topics are very useful to the students from class 6 to intermediate. Please subscribe my channel. In this class, we are going to learn about kinds of pronouns. Pronoun. A word that is used in place of noun is called a pronoun. Pronouns are also called substitute words. Kinds of pronouns: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, relative pronouns. Personal pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, they are called personal pronouns. They stand three persons. The word person in grammar refers to the three possible subjects of speech. First person stands for speaker, second person stands for listener, third person refers to the person, anyone, or anything other than the second and first persons. Example: I know him. In this sentence, I is personal pronoun. He is watching TV. In this sentence, he is personal pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. Whenever self is added to pronouns my, your, him, her, it, or selves is added to our, your, them, and when the work has done by the same person, they are called reflexive pronouns. For example, I enjoyed myself. In this sentence, myself is reflexive pronoun. They enjoyed themselves. In this sentence, themselves is reflexive pronoun. You studied yourselves. In this sentence, yourselves is reflexive pronoun. You enjoyed yourselves. In this sentence, yourselves is a reflexive pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Whenever pronoun is used for the sake of emphasis by adding self or selves, they are called emphatic pronouns. They are usually placed immediately after the noun or pronoun which they emphasizes. Example: I myself will take the material. In this sentence, myself is emphatic pronoun. They themselves will do it. In this sentence, themselves is emphatic pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns. Pronouns in a sentence which point out the person or things for which they stand are called demonstrative pronouns. Example: this is my book. In this sentence, this is demonstrative pronoun. That is my pen. In this sentence, that is demonstrative pronoun. These are my books. In this sentence, these is demonstrative pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns do not refer to any particular person or thing. They refer to persons or things in a general way and are called indefinite pronouns. Example: nobody came to meet me. In this sentence, nobody is indefinite pronoun. Anyone can do this. Anyone is indefinite pronoun. None of them believed him. In this sentence, none is indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronouns. These pronouns are always singular and followed by a verb in singular. They refer to the number of persons or things one at a time and are called distributive pronouns. Example: neither of these books is good. In this sentence, neither is distributive pronoun. Either of them has to come tomorrow. In this sentence, either is distributive pronoun. Each of the girls was good. In this sentence, each is distributive pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. The pronouns which are used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Example: whom do you want to meet? In this sentence, whom is an interrogative pronoun. Which is the way to railway station? in this sentence which is interrogative pronoun. Reciprocal pronouns. They express a mutual or reciprocal relationship. Each other and one another are called reciprocal pronouns. Example, the two rivals hated each other. In this sentence, each other is a reciprocal pronoun. Relative pronouns. Who, which, what, that, as, but are called relative pronouns because they relate or refer to a noun that has gone before it. I met Hari, who had returned yesterday. In this sentence, who is relative pronoun. Here is the book that you need. In this sentence, that is a relative pronoun. I hope all of you understood the types of pronouns. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all. I hope all of you understood about the types of pronouns. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.